LeetCode question number 42, tapping rainwater. This is hard question. Let's get into it. Given n non-negative integer representing an elevation map where the width of each bar is 1, compute how much water is in average trap after raining. Okay, in this case, the above elevation map is represented by array 0, 1, 0, 2. 0 is here, 0, 1, 0, 2, 1, 0, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1. In this case, 6 units of rainwater, blue section, are being trapped. Okay. How are we gonna do? Do you have any idea? Okay, today I'm gonna introduce two approaches. First is time complexity is linear time with linear space, and then another is linear time with constant space. So, okay, first I will use the two arrays. The first is the left max, and then another is right max. So, left max, I will iteration the forward, and every iteration I fill the max value. So in this case 0 is max, so return 0, and then this one, that is same as acclimated some similar, and then this is 1 and the fill max 1, and then this is time the from here the 2, from here the I fill the here. So this is left max, and after finish it I will do reverse to and to front. So in this case, this one is maximum value, and then this one is maximum value, and then in this case from here to here, this is the maximum. And then we will get overlapped position here. Here is what we're looking for. Does it make sense? And then first we will calculate this one, and then next iteration we will calculate finally we get the minimum value with the left max with the right max, and then deduct with the height, that is the size of the water. And then it actually that time we need the 3 iteration. For is the generate left map array, and then second is the generate right map array, and then finally to calculate the sum of water. So it take the 3n time complexity, so we can say linear time, and then in use 2 arrays, so space complexity also linear space. And then final, okay, another solution is I will use 2-pointer technique, and then left and right, and then I will use only 2 variables, left max and right max, and then I will calculate the size of water. Approach is quite similar with the previous, using the linear space, but after implement the linear space approach, we will find that there is some waste memory, because at that time we just need the one value, not the whole array. So that is the simplified version of the first one. And I will implement first, and then I will, while implement, I will explain, and then finally I will test by hand to more easy to understood. Okay. First, I will calculate n. N is length of height. And then I will handle each case. If n is still less than 2, at that time there are only the 2 bar, so it cannot fill any water, trapping any water, so return 0. And then left is 0 index, and the right is n minus 1 index, the right side rightmost index, and then make the left left max is to start with the first item of height, and then right max is height of I minus 1. Okay, I will explain with example. Now height is this one, and then I will left and right, and then left max and right max. This time left is here and right is here, and then left max is the first item of height, so 0. Right max is last item of height, 1. It makes sense? Okay, from now I will iteration is while left is same is right equals. When it meet 1, we also need to calculate the water of this position. And then I will decide the movement of the pointer with left max and right max. So if left max smaller than right max, I will calculate the output plus left max minus 8 left. And then I will increase left pointer. And then if left pointer is going to out of bound, and then I will break. Because only that is the end point for iteration break. Otherwise, else output same right max minus 8 right, and then right is decrease 1. If right is minus 1 out of boundary, break, and then we need to update left max for next iteration. Left max is maximum value with left max, next with height, new left. Okay, so right max also right max also maximum right max height right, and then return off. Let's check the code. Okay, looks good. Okay, let me test the code. Now it's here, so now starting left and right. First I will check left max, this is the smaller than right max. So left max 1, 0, yes. So I will do left max might hit left, so 0, 0. So output is not change. And then go to 1. Then calculate the left max. Now left max 0 with 1, so update with 1. Now 1, 1 same, so this one is not satisfied, so this one will execute. So right output is right max 1 minus 8 right 1, so nothing changes. And then right is decrease 1. And then update right max is the current 1 with 8 right, so it updated it 2. Now its left is smaller, so now it's left turn, left pointer turn, and then now check 1, 1, nothing change, and then going to next. And then this one is nothing to change. And then now also 1, 2 is here. In this time, left max of 1, and then left height is 0, so it's time to update it. Increase left output. And then this one also, we can calculate the same amount of water, right? This one is 2, 1, so water needed to fill 1. Okay. now here's a 1, and then I will move the left pointer and then update this one with max is 2, and then now is the right turn. So 2 2 nothing changed to going to here, and then now is 1 2, so update 2 same way, and then going to left, and then nothing changed, so 2 2 nothing changed. The next is 3 3 now here 2 2 nothing changed, going to next 1 2 is 3 is going 0 2, wow, now it's added to 2, so 5 is going next. This time 2 1 is 6, and then going here. At this time still left is smaller, so this one is written, and then when you do in the here, left max is 3, so 3 minus 3 is 0, and then nothing changed, and then left plus 1, and then next is this one is does not satisfied, return out. So output is 6. Does it make sense? At this time complexity is the linear time with constant space, because we do not use any extra data structure. Thank you.